Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if the Wi-Fi is missing on your Windows. So if the Wi-Fi is missing on your settings and obviously on your Windows, then how can you fix that? So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to check the WLAN autoconfig service if it has stopped running. Well, if it has stopped running, well, you will really face the issue. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Now you'll find services under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Now scroll down to the W section and look for the WLAN autoconfig. So here it is. Make a right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure that it's automatic. If it has stopped running, then you need to click on start. Click on apply and click on OK. You can also click on the restart button if it is already running on your Windows. Now once done, for the next method is we need to make sure that our network driver is updated. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. You'll find device manager under the best match, so just click on that. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate your network adapters. So here you'll find your network adapter, make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and then click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers, simply close this. And for the next method, we can also uninstall our network adapter. So make a right click and then select uninstall device. And you just need to simply click on the uninstall button. And after you have clicked on the uninstall button, on how you can reinstall that, simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So after you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall your network adapter. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Click on ncpa.cpl control panel item. Now here you need to look for your Wi-Fi connection. Make a right click, then you have to select disable. And then wait for some time. By disabling it and then enabling it again, you are refreshing it. So make a right click and then select enable. And then close out of here. And for the final method, click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find network and internet. Scroll down and you'll find advanced network settings. Then here you'll find network reset. Click on that and then simply click on the reset now button, and this will you have to click on the yes button, and this will restart your Windows once. And after that, you just need to simply connect into your Wi-Fi connection, and that's it. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.